Yeah!
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain / maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks / product reviews, how to grow longer 4C hair, and just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. First thing I want to touch on is the Ashanti / Keyshia versus battle. I caught myself uploading a video last night and I was like, ain't nobody tuned in. I said, oh shoot, versus, I need to be tuned into versus. So there was that. That's number one. I've been reading some things and looking at some videos where people were saying that it was, you know, it wasn't all that and they didn't enjoy it. I enjoyed it. I'm talking about nostalgic. And Keyshia has always been one to just go all out singing. She said it. She was like she was very small. She just went around singing wherever. And with a voice like that, why not? She would just go around belting. And she did that last night. And I was like, yo, she don't get enough credit. Like, Keyshia has a lot of hits, has written a lot of hits as well, and literally is doing her thing. Ashanti was a sport. I will say that she seemed like, I don't know what happened beforehand, because I noticed that when Keyshia would be singing, Ashanti was talking a lot. I get being in your phone to like react to the audience and whatnot, I guess, and to see what everybody's saying, but she kept having like the side conversation. She didn't seem as focused. I don't know. She was a team player. She was on time apparently. I tuned in an hour later, only to find that it has started an hour late and I wasn't late anyway, so there's that. But at any rate, I thought it was good, and let me tell y'all, I have 235 I Want You. I've had it on repeat. She came with it. I'm talking about Ashanti sounds way better. The lyrics are dope. Everything about it, the beat, I have it on repeat. I've had it on repeat. Like, that song is dope. I have to give her her credit. Like, that song is dope as heck to me personally. So that's my opinion on that. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to what you want to talk about. Show you this video of what I'm looking like now. Like I said, I'm always going to update you guys on what I'm looking like now. As far as eating, just from doing other things and being active and moving here and there, I have not been eating like I was before. And even still, I have been able to maintain. But guess what I'm still doing? The shakes and the bread. And I think that that is what has really helped me. If you are feeling that you are just not motivated like that to be on your journey and be on the good foot, these are some hacks that I can share with you. This is what I do. I am not a nutritionist or anything like that. I've just been somebody that's been really, really skinny. And so I can tell you what it is that I've done to be able to maintain. And I like my current weight. Get to where you want to be. First things first, if you wake up and you're not feeling motivated, affirmations. I've spoken about it before, but affirmations can really, really help you. And I think some people think that it's just fluff. I once did as well. But when you listen to positive affirmations, that basically sets the tone for the day. Your mindset is what causes you to do or not do things. So listen to positive affirmations, things that are talking about success, things that are talking about I am motivated, I will be productive today, thank you for another day. You have to always express gratitude as well. So those are things that you can do first off. Then if your cycle is coming, then I know that for a lot of us, you can really feel a lot of fatigue and just not focus. So of course I'm going to say maca root, superfoods, anything that's going to give you energy and put you in a good mood, that will only help you. Put it into your foods, your shakes, your water, beverage, however your extract tells you to do it. Mine, I put in my shakes and in my water, in my juice. I don't really drink juice like that, but unless it's pineapple juice, but y'all feel me. Anything like that. So superfoods. In addition to that, the world of social media is crazy. Some people don't like going on Instagram because yes, the perfect image is constantly tossed in our faces. If it doesn't affect you like that, if you have someone that you look up to who is similar to your size, they have achieved their weight gain goals, or they just look great, then having a photo of them will help, in my opinion. It's helped me. I don't know, there's a young lady named Tiana Parker, and there's another young lady, she was with in a yellow bikini in this photo, and I don't know the other young lady's name, but both of them have on yellow bikinis and they look lit. I don't want to insert the photo because YouTube, let me tell you something, YouTube is a tricky thing. Things that I thought were okay, YouTube was like, no, take it down, and thank God it was just a picture, right? So I'm gonna add it to my community tab, but I'm not gonna put it in here because I don't want this whole video to be taken down because of it. So anyway, they look lit and they're similar to my size. I love their shape, whatever. So I was like, okay, that's who I'm gonna look at for my motivation. So when I don't feel motivated, I just look at that photo and be like, you know what? Let me bust a leg lift. You understand what it is that I'm saying? So you just got to do stuff like that. Those are ways that I keep motivated. And be around, well, it's hard now. If you're quarantined with someone who is motivated or who works out or who wants to work out, then you and that other individual or the people that you are quarantined with, work out. Even if it's not, even if it's outside, even if it's inside your home, get it in. And again, I'm no Annabelle Hayes. I'm not. I admire her a lot, but I don't get it in like that. Like I said, do some lazy girl workouts at home with your quarantine partner or your partner, whoever, right? So those are the ways that you can keep motivated, stay motivated. And yeah, that is about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I'm about to go listen to Ashanti's 235 I Want You one more time. I really wish that I could play it, but again, I'm not trying to, I need every bit of my coin. I don't want nobody else to take any part of my coin, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and listen to it. Y'all go check it out though. I can't play it, but tell me what you think of it. When I say, I was literally like, oh, okay, cool. And when she said she got a new single, I said, and when she played it, I was like, I need that now. I need that now. It goes. It goes. Listen to me. Shoot, that might be my motivation to work out too. Listen, cause the song lit and she looked good. Okay, had me shooketh. What you mean? So anyway, that is about it. Y'all, please do, again, like I said, follow me on the socials at Modesty Lavish, at YCEECEE1, TikTok. I'm trying to do a ting on there, y'all. And just follow me. We out here. And let me know how your weight gain journeys are going, or how your weight maintenance journeys are going. All right? Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla.